Far beyond the orbit of Neptune, in the cold, dark reaches of our solar system, lies one of its most intriguing and enigmatic inhabitants, Pluto, a world that has captivated the imagination of astronomers and stargazers alike. Pluto is a dwarf planet with a story that stretches back over a century. Our journey begins in the early 20th century. In 1930, an American astronomer named Clyde Tombaugh, working at the Lowell Observatory in Arizona, made a groundbreaking discovery. After meticulous observations and calculations, Tombaugh identified a new celestial body, which was soon named Pluto. Pluto's discovery was the culmination of a search for Planet X, a hypothetical planet that was believed to explain discrepancies in the orbits of Uranus and Neptune. Though Pluto turned out to be much smaller than expected, its discovery was nonetheless a monumental achievement. Located in the Kuiper Belt, a vast region of icy bodies and dwarf planets beyond Neptune, Pluto orbits the Sun at an average distance of about 5.9 billion kilometers, over 30 times farther than Earth. Its orbit is highly elliptical, taking it from as close as 4.4 billion kilometers to as far as 7.4 billion kilometers from the Sun. Pluto is a world of contrast. Its surface is a mosaic of various terrains, including vast plains of nitrogen ice, towering mountain ranges composed of water ice, and deep, dark craters. The most prominent feature is Sputnik Planitia, a large, heart-shaped plain of nitrogen ice that spans roughly 1,000 kilometers across. Pluto has 5 known moons, the largest of which is Charon. Discovered in 1978 by astronomer James Christie, Charon is about half the size of Pluto and orbits the dwarf planet at a close distance. Together, Pluto and Charon form a binary system, where both bodies orbit a common center of mass. The true breakthrough in our understanding of Pluto came in 2015 with NASA's New Horizons mission. After a journey of nearly a decade and over 4.9 billion kilometers, New Horizons made its closest approach to Pluto, sending back a treasure trove of detailed images and data. New Horizons revealed a world far more complex than scientists had anticipated. We saw Pluto's icy plains, towering mountains, and even detected evidence of potential subsurface oceans. The mission also provided valuable insights into Pluto's thin atmosphere, which is primarily composed of nitrogen, with traces of methane and carbon monoxide. One of the mission's most surprising findings was the presence of organic compounds on Pluto's surface, hinting at the possibility of prebiotic chemistry. These complex molecules, known as tholins, may play a role in the planet's atmospheric and surface processes. Despite its grandeur, Pluto's classification has been a topic of debate. In 2006, the International Astronomical Union redefined the criteria for what constitutes a planet, and Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet. This decision was based on 3 criteria. It must orbit the Sun, be spherical in shape, and have cleared its orbit of other debris. While Pluto met the first 2 criteria, it did not meet the third. This reclassification sparked widespread debate and emotional responses from the public and the scientific community. However, many argue that Pluto's new status does not diminish its significance or the wonders it holds. Pluto remains a symbol of our quest for knowledge and exploration. Its icy surface and distant orbit remind us of the vastness and complexity of our solar system. As we continue to explore and discover, Pluto will undoubtedly remain a beacon of curiosity, inspiring future generations to reach further into the cosmos. And so, our journey with Pluto continues as we look forward to new discoveries and further exploration of this captivating world. Until then, Pluto will continue to orbit the Sun, quietly waiting to reveal more of its secrets to those who dare to look beyond.